Greetings. I'm going to do a traditional Akan libation in the Akan tree language, and I'll explain each part as I go along the libation. At the end, I'll give you a summary, and that should give you a basic idea of how the Akan peoples do libation.
Why is the practice of libation spiritually important in African traditions, and why should it still be practiced today?
Great question. A few years ago, there was a proposed law in Ghana to outlaw libation. Now, the law never made it anywhere, but I laughed because it was laughable to have a law, because many of the people that came to the defense of libation were people who said, look, this is part of our culture, and they were actually right. But I take it a step further. It's not only part of African cultures and really world cultures, because, folks do it everywhere in the African diaspora. Everywhere that I've been to Brazil, I've been to other parts of South America, I have been throughout the Caribbean Basin, I've been through Europe, I've been through West Africa, I've been to Canada, of course, in the States and other parts of the world. And wherever people of African ancestry have been, so-called black people, there is some form of ritual libation done. First, the portion in Akan Chi. Onyankopon chidepon kwame. Ariache. The creative force, Almighty, God, it is light out or it is daytime. Asasia bejin sanum. Mother Earth, receive this drink. Abusumpim munyuna bejin sanum. All the spiritual forces of the earth and cosmos, in your thousands and multitudes, receive this drink. Abusum free atifi anafo atoye niadia munyina bejin sanom. All the spiritual force entities of the east, north, west, and south, and elsewhere, you all receive this drink. Nananom sumanfo fritete bejin sanom. All the honorable and honored ancestors of the ancient past receive this drink. And at this point, you can talk about your particular spiritual forces or entities that are in your town, district, province, that are in your family, that are associated with your family and community. You can also talk about the particular ancestors that are a part of your family, both those known and unknown, and you would call out their names and you would simply add Bejinsa, receive this drink, right? Or Bejinsu, receive this water, right? Now, at that point, you would then go into the purpose, right? Mania, the purpose for the libation itself. It could be for prosperity, it could be for children, it could be for financial resources, it could be for a new home, a new job, it could be for, a prosperous harvest. It could be for a celebration of a birthday, a marriage, new life. Whatever the occasion may be, or the purpose that drew you to for the libation, you would actually go into that at that point. That will be sort of the body of your letter. Libation is really not so much a form of prayer. It is connective tissue between you, or the spirit and soul of you, and the earth, right? I remember I was in Home Depot one time, and I went to get some topsoil. I was doing some farming in my backyard, and there was a brother, not coincidentally, from Jamaica. And as I'm looking for the topsoil, he pointed to the topsoil, and I said, yes, what I'm looking for. And he said to me, and I knew this was God doing, he said, you know, I have to bless the earth first. I said, true. And he's absolutely right. Anytime before we plant in Africa and in its diasporas, we always bless the earth. And so libation is a way of not only blessing the earth, because we get our what? Our food, our oxygen. The earth is our life support system. Why should not we bless the earth? Why shouldn't we have a connection with the earth, right? And the spirit thereof. And so libation is really an important connecting ritual that sustains us, much like a human body on a life support system in a hospital. It is what gives us the nutrients and the vitality and the health and strength to subsist and to live as human beings, to carry out our human existence. And libation to me, therefore, is super integral, but it's only part of a toolkit that includes, of course, prayer, both from the mouth and in the head. And I'll say this, the forces of evil and negativity, they cannot read your minds. God can, and his spirits can. And therefore, oftentimes we end up betraying our prayers by saying it out loud. So what I want you to do is say it in your head, and it will reach the Almighty. And it won't be what? Picked up and taken and used against you by the very forces that are not of God. Think of libation as writing a letter. At the first part at the top is your salutations. First to the Almighty, to God, then it's to Mother Earth. As it is above, so it is below. Then it is, of course, all the spiritual entities, the forces that are ultimately from God and between God and the earth. This is the locus or the place where the forces reside. And so you would honor those forces by pouring either an alcoholic beverage, water, pito, palm wine, and in some cases milk. Any reasonable liquid form can be used to pour libation. And after you finish the body, that is the particular purpose of libation, because this is a demonstration, so I won't necessarily give you a body, but once you finish the body of the purpose of libation, then you will close it off. And so I'm going to close this as if I had a body to give. Onyame, asasio, minananom, inyina, mesa medasi pi, medasi bibri, onyame nko, inshirawo, yame nko, bejinsa, asa. And the people around you will say, Monikasa, Monikasa, right? That essentially that you have done well. Congratulations, you have done well. And that will close the libation for that moment. And so libation is really a simple but very important way to honor the creative force, the Almighty, to honor the earth, to honor the spiritual forces that are located within nature, located within the cosmos, located within the wind, the trees, the birds, everything that exists upon and outside of this earth, as well as the ancestral forces that are a part of your family and a part of your community that are deserving of being remembered and being invoked and being invited into your space.